What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. And tonight we're just doing a box haul. Every now and then I get people that reach out to me, and obviously I buy hardware and stuff, but every now and then people are just like, "Hey, man, I got some extra junk left over. Don't know if it's any good. You can have it." And this is actually a friend of a friend, so some of this stuff came from me back in the day, and some of his stuff, this stuff he bought along the way, but I figured it'd be cool to kind of go through because all this stuff is like 2018 to 2019 era, so might take us back in time. I haven't gone through all of it yet. I just kind of looked at it. He just like dropped it off and headed out. So anyway, let's see what we got. So first things first, an Intel stock cooler. It's one of the black ones. Got the copper core on the bottom. All the feet look like they're in good shape. That's a keeper, 100%. We can put that to use. Next one up is a Arctic, and it is a big tower cooler. It is missing the bottom bracket, so that is unfortunate. Don't know if I'll be able to find that bracket or what. Maybe just have to list this on the website at like a really good deal, so that way somebody could figure out what they need to do with it. AMD little stock, nothing special cooler. This one, oddly enough, uses the screws to go in and does not use the clippy bracket method, so I'm not sure what this came with, but no LEDs, nothing like that. CPU coolers are always good to have, you know. Another Intel stock cooler. This is the one that's got like the raw aluminum look, but it does also have a copper block on the bottom. So, yep, feet are in good shape. They're not broken. Can't go wrong. Can't go wrong for like a low power application. Now, he actually got this from me and he never used it. It's still brand new in the packaging. I wish I could source these from the supplier that I used to be able to get them from. They were significantly cheaper, but this is a 6x splitter card, and it does have a little cooler on the bottom, which I thought is cool. So then you plug this into a motherboard, then you run 6 risers out from it to run a 6 GPU motherboard, or to run 6 GPUs in a mining configuration off of pretty much any motherboard. And it's got a ×4 slot on the bottom, but you can install that into a ×16 slot. So I thought that's cool, and being that that's brand new, actually you can, list that on the website. Next up, motherboard. Everybody that was mining in like 2016 or 2017, 2018 knows about these gigabyte boards. This was the Z270 DP3. This was a 6-card board, but you could also run 1, 2, 3 cards directly on the board if you wanted to, because it's got 3 full-size 16 slots. They don't run at a full 16 lanes, or full lanes, but you can mine with them. So depending on these two being a little tighter, you might have to get creative with the cards, but yeah. And it looks like the CPU, it's got a G4400T. So it's got a T G4400, which is actually a low power Pentium. Not that they're already low power enough. He said he didn't know if this board works. It's really dusty. It's really nasty. We'll check that out, and yeah, go from there. Set that over here. Continuing onwards, we have. Oh, this is cool. This is actually a box of motherboard standoffs at various different lengths. So, probably just gonna bring that over to the shop and keep it on hand. Okay, so he had, I think I actually gave him some of these. These were GP106 100s, which are, I think they're 1060s. GP106-100 A1. It is a what is it? It looks like it's a, is that a mining card? GP 106. Oh, okay, so these were used in 1060s and Quadro P2000. So this was probably a 1060. He said he's pretty sure all of these didn't work. He took them apart, cleaned them, put the coolers back on, and then they still wouldn't fire up. So he took them all back apart because he was going to try to reflow them or something. I'm not sure. But at the very least, they could make for, if cleaned up, they could make for some cool wall art at the computer shop. Might throw them up for a couple bucks a piece at the on the shop on the website. Let me know what you guys think. I'm always a fan of like computer hardware. But he's got, oh, this is a different one actually. What's this one? This is a GP 106 400. So probably just a different model 1060. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of them. And he said all of them do not work. Might throw all 5 of them up on the web store for like, I don't know, a couple bucks here or there. If not, if they don't sell, we'll just hang them on the wall. Take the brackets off of them. What else did we have in here? Oddly enough, there's like a lot of pins in here. So I figured I'll take those to the shop. Anything else? No? That's it, other than some trash. So anyway, just a quick little video of going through a little bit of older stuff. I guess technically the only older thing there was that motherboard and processor. Everything else, I mean, the 1060s were older, but that was a little lackluster. I was hoping for something more interesting. But oh well. Beggars can't be choosers. I ain't gonna complain with free. So anyways, guys, I really appreciate y'all coming out. I'll see y'all on the next one. Adios.